I want to start this video off by saying thank you so much to our 1,200 subscribers on YouTube, our 13,000 followers on TikTok, and our 1,400 followers on Instagram. We're slowly getting up there. We want to build these projects for you guys. That is our main goal, is to build crazy stuff so you don't have to. Stuff like this, and this. It's been a long process, but we're slowly getting there. I think with time and we keep putting out more content, we'll be able to build more stuff for you guys, and it's gonna be really exciting. It's so cool seeing all the comments and seeing how stoked you guys get when we change certain things, and I'm super passionate about this project, and I hope that we can get more people on board. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube, please do that, our TikTok and our Instagram. And thank you so much for 13K. Let's keep going.